Having proper core strength and posture is super crucial in keeping your neck, back, and spine overall healthy and pain-free. This video is going to detail 8 ways that you can use a stability ball to improve your posture, core strength, and keep you moving well in life. Make sure to implement every single exercise in the video because it covers your entire range of your spine and core strength, so there are no missing links in your body. If you don't have a stability ball, I'm going to link one below. Otherwise, once you have one, we can move into our first exercise, being some around the world. By sitting on the ball and slowly allowing your torso to tip forward and then move all the way around in a 360-degree circle, you will challenge all aspects of your core strength. I really like this drill because it constantly changes the muscle working the entire time. Go slow throughout the movement, making sure you repeat on both directions. Once you've mastered that exercise, you can move on to some modified sit to stand. You will do this by practicing sitting on the ball and standing back up numerous times. What will challenge your core and posture in particular will be the fact that you will actually sit back all of your weight into the ball on the way down before standing back up. Try to keep your back straight and your chest up for equal core work. Now we will move back to sitting strictly on the ball for some side bends. By reaching down side to side on the ball, we are going to target our oblique muscles, which are often very weak. Feel free to add some weight to the side, passing a dumbbell, which we will link below, from hand to hand on both directions. Make sure you aren't bending forward at all and just make this movement about coming through the side of your core. Now, normally leg extensions are a great way to warm up the knees in a very passive way. But when doing this exercise seated on a stability ball, you will tremendously increase the work your core needs in addition to keeping your posture strong. Now, if that exercise was tough, you can also try some seated marches on the ball as well. This motion doesn't take quite as long to complete, making it a little bit easier. Although those movements are great, mastering these last few are the most important for overall core strength and perfect posture. If you want to keep improving your core strength and posture, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos helping individuals of all abilities with issues like that, in addition to navigating the gym, health, and fitness industry. Now, doing back extensions on this exercise ball is a great exercise that you can do, but we're going to make this a little more challenging by adding in our arms. By squeezing our lower back and keeping our hands in a Y position throughout the movement and pinching your shoulder blades, we will target our lower trapezius muscles greatly, in addition to strengthening our lower back and core muscles. The lower trapezius muscle is usually very weak and can help in improving shoulder mobility and posture. Now, bridging is a commonly used exercise to help strengthen your glute muscles and relieve back pain. When putting your feet up onto the stability ball, the exercise gets much more difficult. This is why we will simply be holding this position with our hips extended, squeezing the butt, of course, for about 30 seconds before relaxing and moving on to one of my favorite exercises. Now, if you have never done a plank on a stability ball, you are in for a treat. The constant instability and change of pressure in the ball targets your core muscles heavily. When placing your feet behind you and your hands down on the ball, try to think about keeping your arms nice and straight. If this is too hard, try bringing your feet in a little bit. If you want some more ways to improve your posture, I think you would enjoy this video we created here. Otherwise, you can check out our low impact exercise program written in the comments section to help you strengthen the rest of your body and keep you moving well. To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.